Went in today with the HD 5750. This is a 2009 video card with 720 shaders. It's got half a gig of VRAM, GDDR5 Samsung, running at 700 MHz on the core clock, 1150 MHz on the memory clock, 128 bits bus width, DirectX 11, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th Gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. This is the fourth video card that I got in that bundle. Today we're gonna jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with Dragon Age. We tested every single video card first with this game and it managed to do a fantastic performance. But this is a very big surprise. The moment I seen the numbers of shaders, I knew this video card is gonna do wonders. Look at this, 1080p, maximum details, everything turned on. This video card is bananas. Unfortunately, this video card has an external power supply. You know, it's using a 6-pin connector in the back, and when it's got a 6-pin connector, it's got power. And it's got power. Look at it, GDDR5. Look at this, 83% load on the core, 133 FPS on average. I mean, the core is not even maxed out in this case, seriously, and is doing a fantastic job. I love the performance this video card is offering, so there is nothing you can say about this. I almost forgot, but yeah, I got 169 watts consumption from the computer. You remember with the small video cards, I had like 99 watts consumption, 110, but this one is taking a lot of wattage here because it's got one 6-pin connector. So yes, this video card is utilizing some power, but look at the FPS I got in the old games. And I like it. Last time I was here, I got 1080p with low detail. In this situation with this video card, you can actually see I got 95 FPS with 83% load on the video card core. Only 245 megabytes of VRAM and 158 watts consumption. Ideal would be to go medium details with some 2 or 4 anti-aliasing and see how much load I'm going to get. Because if I can stay around 60 FPS, it will be okay. And I can put more details. Medium details now with 2x anti-aliasing. Already looks much better. I can see a lot of details and shininess here, but the wattage is still the same. Very impressive, you know. Now I got 90% load on the video card's core, 325 megabytes of VRAM, 52 degrees on the video card. I mean, it's got new thermal paste. I'm going to show you at the end what I'm talking about, the new thermal paste, because I had to put new thermal paste because yeah, you won't believe what type of video card I bought. Don't skip, please. Overall performance in Dragon Age, it's actually fantastic. So I think this is the most impressive thing I can do for the video card. Put some old games that works really nice on this video card and do not complain, because this is awesome. Almost everything on maximum details here with Team Fortress. The only thing I didn't put it was anti-aliasing. I put only 2x or something, and it's doing a fantastic job, seriously. 450 megabytes of VRAM utilization. This is good. 130 FPS on average. Maximum core load 53 degrees on this occasion with 160 watts consumption. This is what I need from a video card like this. On the system side, I got 7.4 gig of system RAM, 30% load on the CPU side with nearly 30 watts consumption. This computer apparently with this video card is doing a fantastic job. You know, you can actually see the video card is kind of capable of delivering some nice FPS. So there is nothing to complain here. In this case, with this video card, still holding under 500 megabytes of VRAM utilization. The temperature is very steady considering I put new thermal paste on it. It's got no problems. The fan is doing the job. I'm going to explain why the fan is doing the job, because it's kind of insane to see this performance of this video card like this. Does it run Crysis? If this video card is running Crysis, then it's worth it. Seriously. 400 megabytes of VRAM, maximum load on the core, 100 FPS on average, 90, 80, 70. Look at that. It's running. There is no problem on utilizing this video card. I got low details, and actually, you know what we can do? I think we can go on medium details. I got 60, 70 FPS on average. This is good. All in all, I will say this is a good performance from the video card. Nothing wrong with this GPU, seriously. Considering the age of the video card, this is how it needs to be. I think this video card was ahead of its time when it was released, seriously. Considering what year we are in and considering what year this video card is made, I will say it's not a bad performance. 60 FPS on medium details, 1080p, Crysis, 400 megabytes of VRAM utilized, 99% load on the core, 60 degrees, the video card is not overheating. What do you want more? Battlefield 1080p, I got low details, but this video card is not the high-end video card that I know. In this situation, this video card can actually do the job. With 1080p, low details, when you see a lot of smoke and stuff like that, there's a lot of lagging here. Managed to see 40 FPS on average, 40 FPS on lowest, I will call this not the biggest win. 40, 50 FPS on this occasion, it's okay, but I will put it with 900p in some cases because it's not worth on actually exaggerating like this. I want constant 60 FPS, so there's a lot of settings that I can do in this case. In this case, I got 99% load still on the core of the video card, and it's holding pretty well. Look at this. The CPU, on the other hand, is got like nearly 30 watts consumption from this. Feels like it was meant for this. So even though I don't agree with 1080p, I still wanted to show you how it's working with this resolution. 1080p with low details in Metro, apparently it's a good performance. 60 FPS, I got 470 megabytes of VRAM utilization. It looks okay, with low details. This is something that I will use. Maybe put 900p or 720p and get, how shall I say, over 100 FPS. Make it more convenient for the video card. If I lock with VSync to be more efficient, I'm trying to help the video card do the right job, but at the same time I want to de-stress the video card and the computer. Look at this, 160 watts. I'm not going to lie, I like that idea of 100 watts computer. Seriously, it's going to be a team in the future in which I will say, you know what, let's make this computer run with 100 watts. And if it's running with 100 watts, that means it's efficient. So overall performance here in Metro with this video card, it's kind of good. There is nothing wrong with this video card, and the overall performance, it's good. Not good, fantastic. Because there's a lot of options here in order to get this game running properly. But I like it. I like this performance overall, and considering the age of the video card, how it's performing, considering how awesome this game is, I will say all in all, a fantastic performance. Definitely I need to jump into World of Tanks with this video card. Look at this. This is a good performance from the video card. I got 1080p with low details, not minimal. Low details is actually higher quality from performance mode. Look at this. Let's see how we're doing really nice. 190 fps on 200 fps on everything. This video card can actually go on medium details. The problem is the VRAM. Because of the VRAM, you cannot put this video card on medium details, because medium details is gonna butcher this video card. There is no problem on utilizing a video card like this in World of Tanks. You need to know that. But it's a performance mode here. People will say, it's software or something like that. But look at that, 340, 380 megabytes of VRAM utilization. I entered the game with maximum details, full dynamic light, 1080p, everything is turned on. I wanted to see the game and this video card, how it's being utilized. In this case, I got maximum load on the core, nearly 500 megabytes of VRAM utilization, nearly 160 watts consumption. I actually seen the much higher consumption from other games, but this is a very good performance this video card is offering here. Maximum quality, this is the most important thing, because a video card this old needs to work really nice. So in this situation, it's a fantastic choice. Seriously, I like this game how it's utilizing this video card. I like this game how it's utilizing the hardware. 4.9 gig of system RAM, 20% load on the CPU with 25 watts consumption. The CPU doesn't have any problems in this case, so I will say an overall performance from this computer, it's fantastic. You can utilize this computer easy with games like this and you'll have no problem. And in this case, games like this are the one that needs to be added on your list. This is an ideal environment for this video card. Do I need other games or something to put it on to newer operating system and games and stuff like that? No, you can actually see there's a lot of things I can do on a video card like this. There's a lot of things I can do with a system like this. So in this case, S.T.A.L.K.E.R is running really nice with the video card, because in this situation 1080p is an exaggeration. You can put a 900p, 720p, and you'll gain that FPS back, because I'm on 48 FPS now. The average is good, you know. It just how should I say, a couple of adjustments here and there, you will be with the right FPS. This is a fantastic video card. There's nothing to complain about it. I bought it very cheap. Let me explain why. So the video card came broken in pieces. I've seen it, I tested it, and I was like very happy that it's working. I took a shot in this situation to see if I can get a very cheap video card and maybe get some parts to replace it. I seen the video card and it looked familiar. I says, you know, that's like a Sapphire video card, and I think I have a spare video card that is broken, and I can use maybe the radiator or the fan or something like that. And I seen the video card and I was like, all right, so let's disassemble it, let's see how it looks, you know, because this one didn't have any fans, broken, and everything was in pieces, you know. But I did put an external fan on it to see if it's working, and he managed to install the drivers, and I had no problems on using the video card, but it was fanless. I went into my dead GPU box. I found the Sapphire 4850. This is a totally different video card. The fan, the radiator, they don't have the same size, so I would have just taken that radiator and put it on this video card, but it doesn't fit because it's got smaller holes, this 5000 series. The only luck I had was the fan 4000 series with that black shroud managed to fit on the radiator from the HD 50,000 series. That was the biggest luck here. And put new thermal paste, and voila. Today was a very good benchmark with a video card that actually works, you know. Even the fan, the pin, everything was connecting perfectly. Overall performance with the video card was good. Luck was with me. Everything was good in this situation. I got the video card very cheap, and yeah, I can say nothing bad about it, because now I got a video card that is in my collection and is working really nice. If I put next to nothing as a price, I will always show this video card. It was next to nothing. The idea of gaming with this video card in Dragon Age was actually fantastic, but the overall performance, it's, yeah, outstanding. Do I recommend a video card like this? If it's cheap, if it's next to nothing. That's it. If it's next to nothing, it's worth it. If not, it's not worth it, because it's only 500 megabytes of VRAM. An iGPU can actually, I think this video card, it's much better than the iGPU. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, and I will see you very soon.